Those skilled in strategy and creativity will always prevail in the art of war. Creativity is endless, like the sky and the earth, flowing like rivers that never cease. It is a cycle that never ends, like the sun and the moon, like the changing seasons. Just as there are only 5 basic tastes, the combinations are endless and irresistible. Similarly, there are only 5 primary colors, but the variations are infinite and captivating. The key lies in the perfect balance of strategy and surprise in warfare. The interplay of strategy and creativity is like a never-ending cycle, impossible to predict or defeat. Who can conquer the endless possibilities of strategy and creativity? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.